Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Coco is at school. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today we are at Marshall's. So I have to go pick the girls up in about an hour and a half, but I figured let me run over here, check it out, see what they have. Y'all don't normally see me like this. This is my mom mode. I took my nails off, so my nails look junky. I've got mom stuff happening here, but let's go see what they got. Y'all, we have hit a jackpot. So look at this. So $24 for the naked palettes, $24.99, and then this palette here is going to be $16.99. And then these are what the shades look like. But y'all know we have the Norvina palette here for $24.99 also. We also have a bunch of these, which I had gotten for the girls for like their birthday or something, $5.99. Look at this mini reunion tour. So you get these three, $16.99. Y'all, my nails look horrible. I thought about it on my way here and I was like, it's okay. Embrace yourself. This is going to be $30. $30, that's nice. We have an icy palette here. This is going to be $9.99. Y'all, that is beautiful. She is so pretty. Not mad at her. We also have some Bridgerton here, $20. Okay, she is pretty, y'all. Look at that. I want this. I don't want it for $20, but I want this. We have this Disney palette from Morphe. It's going to be $19.99. We have this one from Morphe. It's going to be $16.99. What do we have down here? These look like Cara, and you know Cara don't want to work with me. $9.99. What's this? Oh, nice. ABH. This is $19.99. You get those shades. That's pretty. And we have another one here. Love those shades. Also $20. We got a bunch of Glam Light Hershey's here. I think these were $10 last time I was here. Yep, $10.99. So we have a few different ones. What is this? Oh, wow, Beauty Bakery. I actually love these. I think this is a black-owned business, too. $5.99. It's definitely costs a lot more in Target. We have Dallas. This was a holy grail for a long time. $10. We have some Stila for $7. In this shade, I think it's Camilla. It's a duo, so it's lip and cheek. And then we have this for $7. It's an eyeshadow palette. Let's look at it. Oh, it's just a little mini, and she's actually really cute. Good price for this. What is this? $9.99. It's a quad. Oh, she's gorgeous. Someone swatched it. Why would you do that? I hate when people do that. And then we have two of these, $10. Oh, color corrector. I want this. What is this? One Stop Pop. This is $5. Oh, it's a blush. Let's look. She's gorgeous, and of course somebody swatched it. That pisses me off. Now, my nails look so bad. Don't judge me. Okay, then let's see. We've got some foundations here from Milani in different shades, $4. We've got some Revlon for $3.50. We've got some brand, I don't know, I've never heard of this. $5 for that. We've got some Anastasia back here. $12.99 in 360C. And then a Smashbox, $14.99. This is going to be $8.99 in SPF BB cream. Oh, we've got some Uma. I love Uma. $12.99. Weightless Soft Foundation. So we got all these foundations up here. And then we've got some Morphe foundations for $3.99. I really liked these too. I like these. I had one and I loved it. We saw these last time. I put it in my shorts, I think. But this is going to be $4.99. I used to love Avatar. Yeah, they're rolling by me. I can hear the cart. Oh, she's coming. So we have this. This looks really nice, y'all. This is going to be $20. I want this. I'm trying not to buy everything I see, but I do want this, but I'm not going to buy anything. I want to try to use the things that I actually have before I just start continuing to buy more. Although, I mean, I have been buying stuff, but still, I'm trying not to buy everything I see. So we have this here. That's actually really pretty. I've never heard of this brand. It's that same brand, Play. This is going to be $6. Then we have some of these, which I've seen in the past. So $5 and you get those shades. And then we have another one here. Same price with those shades. Y'all, look at this. So this is a 10 eyeshadow palette. I just looked it up because I didn't want to bother anyone to open this. So I'll put a picture in there. But $40. I'm not sure if this is a clutch and a palette or if the palette isn't a clutch. But this is really nice, and they have a few. Okay, then we have this little set here. I'm so excited about that, y'all. We have this set here for $5. We had another one. Oh, we have this one here. This is pretty. This is only $5. And then I actually like these. The ones in the tin packaging are really good. $4.99. They're good quality. More Cara. Cara said, we don't want to work with you, girl. $7.99. They have a few of them. I'm not salty. I'm not salty, Cara. I'm salty. We have some more Morphe here. That's pretty. Oh, let me find a different one where I can read the price. $8.99. We have this. I really want to look at that. I want to look at it. $20, sorry. $20 for this one, Up Till Dawn. We've got some liners and stuff, but nothing that really looks super exciting. They're really organizing well. This place wasn't as organized. They're changing it around. That used to be like nail stuff and mirrors, and now it's all brushes. She's working. I need to hurry so I don't disturb her. What is this? Planet. Oh, that's pretty. $12.99. We have some more Morphe. Oh my God. Okay, well, we'll look at this one. $8.99. It's a watermelon. They have two. Okay, back to this one. Everyday Chic for $19.99. I think that's about it. We've got some lipsticks. We saw this before when we were here, $14.99. Yeah, we saw this Valid Rose. And then we've got some MACs that we always see, but nothing really new. I really want this, guys. I just want to see, is this also a clutch? Or is it a palette and a clutch? Because for Christmas, I got a Christian Dior thing, and it was like a clutch bag that held lipsticks, but it was also like a purse. So is this a YSL clutch for $40? Because I will buy that. Even though I just said I'm not buying anything, I will buy this. Okay. Here's the nail stuff, which used to be on the other aisle. And I was using these glue-on ones. I stopped getting acrylics and I tried the glue-on, but I need an extra large because my nail beds are so big and I can't find them anywhere. Okay, let's look at the makeup because we're not here for nails. We saw this last time we were here, $9.99. Got some sponges. They did have the Real Techniques sponges, which is what I normally use, but I don't see them now. What is this? Oh, it's a lipstick set that somebody destroyed. God, I hate people. $7, $7.99. Oh, how cute is this? The child in me would have loved this. $3.99. Elf Camo. I think I bought this. I haven't used it yet, but I did buy it. $4.99. I got mine when Elf was having a big sale. Oh, here's the Real Techniques sponges. It's a good price, too. $12. Hey, guys, you want to become a Marshall's Rewards earner? You can listen to this lady. Okay, she's done talking. Let's look at the brushes. They have a few sets here. What is this? Nude Ego. That's actually really nice. $10, y'all. Dang. I said I'm not going to buy anything, but I kind of want to. There's a lot of brushes, man. $10. We have this set here. I bet it's $10. No, it's not. It's $17. That's what I get for betting. That's why I don't gamble. This is $10. And then, oh, she's pretty. $10. Y'all, they got some brushes on deck, y'all. I don't need any brushes. I have brushes that I still haven't used, but Coco could use some brushes. Coco's at school, y'all. I'm sorry you missed her. I feel like that's about all there is to really see. I guess we can end it because I probably have to go pick them up. Oh, here's another brush set, and I do love Real Techniques. $7. Okay, so I'm in Ross now, but I figured I should end this video, right? Even though I'm not still at TJ Maxx. Y'all, if you liked the video, could you push the like button? Could you leave me a comment and let me know? Because it actually really, really helps me and the channel grow. Just throwing that out there. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.